Alright guys, it's Smartech here once again. Welcome to another tutorial. Here's how you can pin any app on your smartphone. To do this, open your settings and then look for biometrics and security, and then you look for other security settings, and then you toggle pin windows on. After doing that, go back to your home screen and tap on the menu button. Look for any app that you want to pin. Tap and hold on it, and then you tap on pin this app. You tap OK from the pop-up menu, and then the app has been pinned successfully. After pinning any application on your smartphone, you cannot see the date, the time, or any notification that may come. So to unpin the app, tap and hold the menu button and the back button simultaneously, just like this. And alright guys, that's how you can pin app on your smartphone. Please consider subscribing, like, share and leave a comment down below. Till we meet, I'm out.